If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. After running a standard or custom report in QuickBooks Online, you can email it, print it, or export it. To email, print, or export a report as a PDF, click either the Email or Print button in the upper right corner of the report, or click the Export button, and then click the Export to PDF command in the drop-down menu. Doing any one of these three actions opens the same Print Email or Save as PDF window. In this window, use the orientation drop-down at the left side of the window to select a page orientation. To repeat the report header on each page, check the Repeat Page Header checkbox. A PDF preview of the report appears to the right. To print the report, click the Print button in the toolbar at the top of the PDF preview, or right-click the PDF preview and then select the Print command from the pop-up menu that appears. After doing either action, your web browser's print dialog box appears, and you can use that to select your print settings and print your report. Alternatively, to email the report from this window instead, click the Email button in the lower right corner of the window. In the email report window that then opens, enter the recipient's email address into the To field. Enter any courtesy copy recipient email addresses into the CC field. A generic subject, body, and report name appear in the subject, body, and report fields. You can edit these as desired to customize the email's content. Then click the Send button to send the email, or click the Cancel button to cancel it. Alternatively, to save the report as a PDF, click the Save as PDF button in the lower right corner of the Print, Email, or Save as PDF window to download the file as a PDF to your computer. Separately, to download the report as an Excel workbook, click the Export button in the upper right corner of the report after running it. Then choose the Export to Excel command from the drop-down menu to download the report as an Excel workbook to your computer. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.